This tutorial review will show you how to update Roblox on computer. First of all, click on your Start menu. Click on Settings. Select Apps. Select Apps and Features, and here click on this search box and type Roblox. Now click on Roblox and we have to uninstall our current Roblox app. Once you uninstalled your current Roblox, now go to your browser and open Roblox, log into your account, and now click on a game. You can select a random game from here. Now click on the play button and here click on download and install Roblox. Once the Roblox installer downloaded, click on it, click on run, and the latest version of Roblox will install in your computer. So this is how we can update Roblox. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.